Hi folks, ROMA Connect is a powerful full-stack integration platform from Huawei Cloud. It is a homegrown digital transformation technology that Huawei has developed since 2009. Last time, Hao Chen introduced the general view, the top 3 differentiators, and the top 3 capabilities they are planning for ROMA Connect. Today, we are so glad to have Paul here again to give us a deep dive into the architecture of ROMA Connect, today on Cloud Focus.
Our architecture continuously evolves to meet the demands of our customers. ROMA Connect offers a variety of integration use cases, including classic application and API integration on automation, data and warehouse integration, event-driven ditch integration, or classic cloud and SaaS integration, and furthermore, IoT integration on the edge. Additionally, ROMA Connect provides API management and B2B features that facilitate API management and API exchange within the application ecosystem. As a result of recent improvements to the architectures of ROMA Connect in 2021, it can support more event-driven integrations and B2B EDI use cases, which can better support the need of different integration roles. For example, business flows and the templates can actually be used by the citizen integrators to support seamless B2B use cases with EDI modernizations. Product core components. The product is divided into multiple components based on the capabilities, such as the data, message, and the service. Each component runs independently or runs together in more complex use cases. ROMA Connect is based on the following core components. API-C component. It manages the integration of both traditional enterprise apps and modern API-level applications via API gateways and other components in the ROMA Connect. FDI component. FDI components addresses database and data warehouse integration. NQS components. NQS handles messaging integrations in conjunction with the event-grid services. It actually provides the event-driven architectures for fast service and application integration within and across clouds. We also have a link components. Link components handles the integration for IoT devices and all other physical devices on the cloud or on-premise. All core components together provide a very powerful full-stack integration capability to help clients on addressing their different integration use cases and reduce overall integration time and cost. Furthermore, ROMA Connect offers rich integration features such as APIG for full lifecycle management for API and templates for business flow and asset integrations with local and local, and a marketplace of API and assets that allows integrators to publish and subscribe easily, and an ABM tool that allows integrators to manage and analyze application models. Compose tool allow API generations from models. And importantly, we add in the event grid components that provide an event bus layer to support across cloud integration using a ditch architecture. The product is composed of a management plan as well as the data plan components. The management plan manages, orchestrates the integration of tenants use cases, and data plan provides runtime integration capability and the tools for tenants to integrate. Using the global management capability, integration can be managed across the regions as well as within a specific region. So these components utilize the microservices architectures for ease of deployment and a small footprint. In addition to the core components I just mentioned earlier, ROMA Connect relies on basic infrastructure capability for public cloud and hybrid cloud deployments. ROMA Connect integrates seamlessly with ECS for VM and container provisioning, EVS for storage volume provisioning, and VPC for multi-tenancy and resource isolations. It also integrates ELB, EIP, OBS, and DNS for supporting load balancing, dynamic IP, and domain name services. Subscribers to ROMA Connect can also select additional components to enhance their productivity. Using Huawei Invocation Framework on Edge, IEF, an IEF instance can be subscribed to support edge integration use cases. And AOM, as monitoring components instances, can also be selected during the subscription process, which provides tools for monitoring application performance. Customers can use ROMA Connect SDKs for integrations. And the SSL certificate is also provided for security. A secure tunnel can also be configured between the public cloud and the private clouds. ROMA architectures allows integrator to handle any kinds of integrations from the simplest to the most complex with its SDK or using its business flows and templates. As a system hardware and software requirements, we have tested our compatibility with the mainstream browsers, including Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, and Safari are all supported. The product can deploy it on x86 or ARM-based VMs. Customers can choose the different hardware architectures for hybrid or private cloud environments. To improve the product performance and the robustness, customer can also choose some hardware enhancements like SSDs and DPDK and NICs technology in scenarios to require extreme performances, especially for the private cloud and hybrid cloud use cases. The product runs on the 64-bit Linux operating system and supports multiple operating systems in different scenarios. OLA OS is used in cloud services deployment scenarios where high security performance and HA is enabled. So additionally, OLA, CentOS, and other platforms, other OS are also supported in edge deployment scenarios as well. GhostDB by default is used for the database for the product, but in edge deployment scenario, a customer can choose the MySQL and a DM database instead of a GhostDB. Scalability. Currently, the product is deployed on a VM and provides 3 specifications: plan, small, medium, and large. It also supports scale out. Monitoring allows or users trigger a specification upgrade, for example, from small to medium, and the product will locally upgrade VM resources based on the defined configurations. At the meantime, mount a new deployment VM can also leverage the load balancers for doing the horizontal growth. So it supports both vertical growth and horizontal growth. In the later version of the product, the container deployment solutions and the dynamic scaling based on the Kubernetes scheduling are used. The trends in ROMA Connect design and architectures are evolving towards the auto-scaling and the serverless architecture. Auto-scaling will improve the utilization of resources and the cost-effective for product. We plan to implement container-based auto-scaling in Q4 2022. We are moving towards a serverless vision and promoting a pay-per-use model for all types of integrations. ROMA Connect offers very flexible deployment options to meet a wide range of use cases. The architectures maintain a unified deployment mechanism to simplify and ease product upgrades and migrations. ROMA Connect supports both public cloud and private cloud deployment. A hybrid deployment can also be support the integration of public clouds with private cloud data center. Customer can also deploy ROMA Connect in their own data center, but Huawei will manage it. ROMA Connect core components such as FDI, NQS, APIS, APIC, and their runtimes can also be deployed in the AWS and other third-party clouds so that it can handle integrations on other clouds. Managing security. ROMA Connect provides security control on all its stack layers. On the system, network, and the physical data center layers, ROMA Connect effectively leverages existing OS, server, network, and other cloud security mechanisms and follow the best practice that are provided by cloud providers or data center to harden the security. On the application layer, the security is handled through leveraging such like source protocols like SSO, access control, rate limit, certification management, multi-auth methods, security auditing, vulnerability and cracking detections, password strings enhancements, as well as the sensitive data encryptions, and all those tools that helps to enforce the security of integration components. One example is security sandbox management and control are implemented for customers' data running in ROMA Connect. Audio log can be provided for tracing and is employed to address the privacy concerns. During the software development phases, input verification and file verifications and output transcoding are also implemented in the product, which is also out of the box. Since last year, ROMA Connect adds the event grid components to support ROMA Connect visions of event-driven architectures, which the technology enables us to integrate applications, data, and cloud services more effectively across the region and across clouds. A modernization of EDI support was also implemented 6 months ago by ROMA Connect. We now are offering not only the supporting of EDI specification, but also bi-direction tools that can support the EDI documentation transformation with different protocols. We converted traditional EDI transformation into an API and event-based approach. And it can be drag and drop from the ROMA Connect business flow console without writing additional code. In the next 12 or 24 months, ROMA Connect will evolve into a smart integration and a serverless platform. We will continue to integrate advanced technologies into ROMA Connect and support our integration ecosystem and our vision.
Thanks for watching this episode on Cloud Focus. I hope you like it. Please scan the left QR code for more documents about Huawei Cloud technologies and the right QR code for more help in our Huawei Cloud Developer Forum. There's more to come, so stay tuned. I'll see you next Wednesday.